Okay, now we're going to take one medium onion for chicken cacciatore, and half of this is going to be sliced, the other half is going to be chopped, and I'll show you how to do that. Just like to slice it in half this direction, because you're going to get a root end at one which will hold this together for you, and you're going to get the bud end. So here's your root end, this is going to hold this, and then you'll go ahead and take off the bud end, just like that. Go ahead and do it with the other half. Okay, set that aside. And then you just want to peel the outer skin, just like this. Get that off of there. Okay. Same thing with this side. And just take that right off. Okay. Well, go ahead and slice this first side. Again, this is going to be for later in the recipe, so you'll see why. Go ahead and just slice it right across. Almost like onion rings. Maybe a little bit thinner than an onion ring would be. Go ahead and go all the way down. Just like that. Set that root end aside, so there's your sliced. And then for your diced part, chopped, I just like to go along like this, and then slice it across, and one more time, and then just go ahead and do your dice. So now we have diced and sliced onions.